Yo! Starting off with Everybody Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Jack in the Box going about 4 miles.
Hello, can you serve me?
Have a good day, thank
You too, thank you. Gonna need a pin for this one. Gross. Also, this guy could have definitely walked here. He's like a minute away. Actually, it's drive-through only. Never mind. Actually, don't know how to get into this place. Let's give him a call.
DoorDash and service providers for quality.
Please try your call again later. Goodbye.
That's lovely.
All right. Awesome. Thank you.
There you are. And do you need door codes to get in here? I've never been in here.
You need room cards. Usually, people just go to the front office. So, like, for next time, if you have a drop-off here, just go to the front office, and then they can call them.
Really glad that they never mentioned anything about a key card or even gave me their building number. Really helpful. Anyways, total for that one was just under $7. And next up is a McDonald's going 4 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Exactly.
Thank you.
Of course, have a good day.
You too. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day. No tip on that one. Yikes. Total for that was $3 and change. That's kind of crazy. Finally got the next order. This is IHOP going about 5 miles.
Have a good day. See you
too.
later.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. There's a giant mosquito in that door. Total for that order was just under $9. Just got the next order for my favorite place to visit. We got a Wendy's. This is going 6 miles.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. What can I ask for you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that one was just under $10. With every single order, I'm like right behind pace. I like how I said that, and then I just haven't gotten an order in 20 minutes. Okay, here we go. Next up is a Burger King going 5 miles.
Thank you for choosing Burger King. Will be just a moment.
Can you confirm pickup?
Yep. Total for that one was just under $9. And just got the next one. This is Gravity Coffee going 7.5 miles. This one's probably a mistake, but I'm just gonna take it because who knows how long it'll be until the next order if I decline it.
Do you need a drink carrier?
Yes please.
So I actually don't have any drink carriers. We have the ones that you have to purchase, but those are I think like a couple dollars, I think.
I got one, I think. Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Oh, that's amazing. That's a no tip right there. Total for that was $5. So good, so good. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $15 going 2 miles, 8 items. I'm looking for this specifically. Do you know if you even have those?
Yeah, PK's top shelf if I have any left in stock.
Gotcha. Thank you. Spent way too long looking for those hash browns. I don't know why that specific brand of hash browns is not with the rest of the potatoes, but that's dumb if you ask me. Got the next order as I was dropping that one off. This is another shop and deliver for a different Safeway. This is, I think it said it was either $13 or $15 going 6 miles, 3 items.
Please remain at this location.
The one with the blue top, I think?
Yeah.
I think it's that one.
Yeah.
Pizza, milk, and tequila. Interesting choice.
I like that shirt.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Got the next order as I was dropping that one off. This is Starbucks going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $8 and change. Pretty good tip on that one. Thank you, thank you. Next up is a Wendy's. This is going 5.5 miles.
Thank you.
How do you do it?
You push it, it's gonna give you ice, and then you gotta hold that to make it pour down.
Hold that?
Yeah.
And then I pull this?
You push it, and then you just push the button, and it'll start coming down. Thank you.
Thank you.
Calls may be monitored and recorded by DoorDash and service providers for quality.
Did you order DoorDash?
No.
No? Okay. There you are. Oh, I need a PIN number actually.
I just tipped you on the app too. I'm so sorry.
Gotcha.
Baby.
That was really cool. No apartment letter provided. Was I supposed to just knock on all the doors in that building? Like, what are we doing here? She lied, by the way. No tip on that one. Oh, unless it comes in later on. Total for that is $7. Trash. That order just killed my mojo. Current time is 10:06. Current total is 78. And I think I'm just waiting on one Uber tip, which should come in soon. I'm not sure how much it's gonna be, so I'll throw up the total for you guys once that comes up. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. That's gonna be a no. Bye.